Here's how to convert AAC to FLAC. So we're going from AAC audio to FLAC audio, FLAC. And to do that, I just drag and drop my AAC files, as many as you want, into ConvertSave. It's this desktop app for Mac and Windows. And it works offline. No more uploading your files to random websites. All you do is drag and drop, select your output, we're going to FLAC, convert, done. It's that quick, efficient, and simple because I created ConvertSave. You can find it at convertsave.com. Click the link in the description, top comment. I made this with my brother. He's a software developer. He helped me kind of bring this thing to life where it's this file converter for images, video, and audio that works offline, Mac and Windows, and it just saves your files right back to where it goes, right? So you just drag them in. It knows what file types they are and what outputs are available, and then you convert it really quick and simple. You can actually see some advanced options that we added in here. So based on the conversion that's happening, it'll show you the tool that's being used. It'll show you the default options, especially if we've put in certain options, because we've tried to really go through each of these conversions and make sure the best output happens no matter what conversion type you're doing. You also have custom flags down here. So if you wanted to do something specific, like if you wanted to go into this options builder here, because you probably don't know what exactly to type down there, you can go build out your own custom commands. And if you wanted the bit rate to be something certain, or the quality, you can adjust that. The volume, you can make adjustments there. So there are things here that you can do. Same with images and video, like trimming video, cropping images, resizing, adding effects, all that kind of stuff is in the options builder, and it just creates and generates the code for you that you can then save as your default option if you want, or just for this conversion, use that command that basically does all this awesome stuff during the conversion. And so we're adding even more like user-friendly ways of looking at this, like maybe an image editor where you can actually like turn brightness up and down and do your crop on your image preview and all that kind of stuff. Here within ConvertSave, we started out just like trying to get this file converter out that works, and it does, and it works super fast and simple. And now we're really trying to build on top of it. So I appreciate your guys' support. If you go check it out, let me know in the comments what you think. I know that it's been a really good part of my workflow and sped up a lot of this file conversion stuff that I have to do from time to time. And I hope that it becomes the same for you. I appreciate you guys. That's how I convert AAC to FLAC or FLAC audio. I'll see you guys in the next one.